There was a snowstorm, and it got cold. Okay, we're gonna learn how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. And it's just like, sort of like subtracting fractions with adding and subtracting fractions with, adding fractions with unlike denominators. You have a fraction. Basically, the way you do it is like this. You have a fraction, two fractions. Let's say 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Okay. Well, how do we subtract this? Well, we can't, because the fractions at the bottom, the denominators, aren't the same. They need to be the same. And the way we can do this is by multiplying both sides, both fractions, both numerator and denominator of both fractions, by a number like that these two would be multiplied by to get the same number at the bottom. A multiple, for example, we just find the multiples, those common multiple. If I were to write all the multiples of 3 and 2, multiples of 3 are 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. That's right there. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. We have to find the lowest common multiple. Well, what numbers do they have in common here? Well, they only have 6 in common. And it's the lowest one we can find. So that makes it the automatic lowest one we can find. In fact, this is the only one that have numbers in common. So then we need to get to a point where 3 is 6 and 2 is 6. And we do that by multiplying 2 and 3 on this fraction by 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. So this would now become 2 times 2, which would be 4. And this would now become 3 times 2, which is 6. And then we multiply both of these numbers, this fraction, by 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then now we can subtract because the bottom numbers are the same. And these are both equivalent fractions, because I've shown, I believe, in another video, that multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same number gets you an equivalent fraction to the previous one. So 4 minus 3, we just do regular subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1, and then leave 6 the same. The bottom the same. And that's it. That's how you subtract. It's pretty much the same way of adding, except you subtract instead of add at the end. And it's cool.